Ayam. Chicken.
Chicken is an animal that belongs to the poultry family. The characteristics of chickens, which have 2 legs, lay eggs, and breathe with lungs. In addition, the chicken also has a beak for foraging and its body is covered with feathers.
Anjing. Dog.
Dogs are pets that are widely liked and are often referred to as men's best friends. These animals easily adapt to new environments, so they are suitable as pets.
Kucing. Cat.
Cats are territorial animals. A cat fights with another cat to protect its territory or to gain more territory. Know that even the friendliest cat can fight.
Burung. Bird.
Birds are members of the vertebrate family that have the ability to fly, although some do not. In addition to living in the wild, many of them are domesticated birds.